Welcome to Sammy Fix It. Today we're installing our LED lights on our 2011 Chevy Cruze LS 1.8. First thing you're going to do is pop your hood, put your stick in. Let's take these lights out. These are the lights that we're going to be using to replace them. I'll put the link in the description below for what they are. Now, that's what they look like. You don't want to touch this. You want to touch the styrofoam to take them out, and then there'll be gloves. So, first things first, you want to take your lights out. You want to untwist it so it's removed like this, and then just pull on your clip, take your light bulb out. Gloves. Go ahead and plug it in first. Make sure you hear it click. Put it back in the hole. And twist. And that's it. And you do the same thing on the other side, and then once I do both, we'll go ahead and see how they look. That's how they look. We'll go ahead and do a test run at night so you can see how bright they are, but I think they look pretty good. That's how you go ahead and install new headlights.